Hi guys, unboxing this lovely Murphy Richards 20-liter microwave with grill, and it's silver. You can see that. Yes, literally just replaced it at this place here, Focus. Okay, so you're gonna see how the thing come down. It's not a long video at all. It's not a long video at all, but this is the bad boy here, and it's saying 1 year of 1 year warranty. That's the word I'm looking for. 1 year warranty. Yep. And I am unboxing this beautiful Murphy. And guys, look at what is here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pop this in the, I'm not sure if I'm going to pop this in there to grill. Got some bananas to grill as well. Can you see that? Yes. But for now, it is unboxing this beautiful silver. I thought it would have been black, for God's sake. Yeah, but nonetheless, yeah. Right. Just gonna pop it open here. Yeah. And there you go, guys. Listen, it's not properly fixed. Yes, let me just turn it here. Yeah, this is it. Look at this. Lovely Murphy Richards. And guys, yeah, I told you it's 1 year. 1 year warranty is on it. And look at that. And like I told you guys, it's a 20-liter microwave with grill. And it is a silver one. Look at that. First things first, I've got the plate. Yeah, man, this one here will be doing the job. And there we go with this. And ta-da! I told you guys it's not going to be a long one. This one here is the protector. Yes, guys, and that is it. Basically, that is it. Ta-da! It's out the box. It's out the box. And you can see here. Yep. See what I'm going with it. I think maybe, just maybe, you can see here, caution, warning, be careful. Be careful. Oops. Yes. And guys, look at that. I told you that the manual is in here. I will not be reading it. Yes, man, this is it right here. Richard Murphy. Yes, and look at the grill. Look at the grill. Look at this. Beautiful. Guys, you could put your fish on this. Your fish can go on this. You just want to pop it in there. See what I'm doing? Yeah, man, and the fish spin around and all of them kind of things. But yes, lovely, beautiful. Guys, I chopped the other one out. And they're saying to you that you could actually have the whole set. You know what I mean? But by the way, everything else is the same color. My crock-pot here, slow cooker, has got that color. And you can see that's got the color. And you can see my sandwich maker with the color. This has got the color of the house. So everything is on the money. You know what I mean? So yes, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to, and even my Ninja over there, that bad boy over there, you know, he's got the same color. And that's for my fish and my air fryer, and you know what I mean, all them kind of things. But yeah, you can do your vegetable soup. You can do pea and mint soup. It's giving you, guys, this book, it's a recipe book, for God's sake. and it is giving the recipes, all the things that you can actually cook in here. You can do soup. Look at this, steak and mushroom pudding in here. Are you being serious? Chicken korma, guys, turkey casserole, lemon honey, lemon chicken. Guys, all of this can be cooked. And let me tell you, this is a free advert, you know. I'm not being paid. Look at this, even the salmon for Christmas. You can place the steak in a fan dish. You see that? Cover it up. And the thing just cook, man. May I tell you. Boiled rice, butter spaghetti. Look at that. I'm telling you, we don't need a stove right now. We don't need a stove right now because this microwave right here is microwaving. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And guys, I want to believe because I've got a bread pudding to make. No, banana cake, man. And I want to believe that it can be making this as well. You know what I mean? I think the banana, and just maybe I could do some of this in there. Huh? I could do some of this in there. I'm going to be testing this thing out. And guys, have you ever tried this fruit here? Yeah, man. Very nice. Panoramic? Huh? Is that what you call it? But we're back to the lovely, 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 lovely microwave. And this is what we will be using during this festive season. Microwave, oven recipe book, and microwave oven, and the whole works come with it, you know. The whole works come with it. Yeah, man. And I think the boss is waiting to put his patty. You see this patty? In here, because we're going to be testing this thing out very soon. Very soon. Very soon. But guys, yeah, thank you so much for sticking. Thank you so much for staying. But like I said, this is what it's all about. It's all about this lovely microwave that we're going to be testing out right here in the kitchen. And I told you this Swede here going to be Sweden, you know, man. We're going to start the thing out in here as well. But guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, look, take a peek at my little Christmas light. You know? Yeah, man, festive up the place. Festive up the place. Kitchen already full of food and ting and fruits. And you see everything that is going down. But it's not about that. It's all about this. It's all about this. Yes. And we just gonna sort out the thing right now. And then we're gonna kickstart it. Guys, thank you so much for staying tuned with this, our lovely Richard Murphy microwave that comes with a recipe book. And guys, I'm leaving you with some of the fruits that we have here in the kitchen. You know, it's mad. It's crazy. Yeah, man, nice pineapple and all them things there. But guys, yes, it's all about this. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for staying with me. And guess what? I'm so excited to have you guys in the property. All of you guys who've been supporting, talking about Trini, talking about Red's Room, talking about Tandra, Fluffy Diva, TV Star, Marvelous, Lujen. Listen, it's trouble, it's trouble, it's trouble. But thank you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, we definitely will see each other on YT Streets. Yeah, man, it's all about this microwave. Thank you. Bye, guys. See you later.